Sometimes life feels like it's crumbling. The carefully laid plans you held so dear seem to turn to dust in your hands. People you thought would be there forever leave. Doors you were certain would open slam shut. The world you knew so well suddenly feels foreign, and the map you were following is now just a crumpled piece of paper. It's a disorienting, lonely feeling, standing amidst the wreckage of what was, wondering how you'll ever rebuild. But what if you were to look at it differently? Maybe it's not falling apart. Maybe it's falling into place. Perhaps this isn't an ending, but a profound and necessary rearrangement, a cosmic clearing of the slate. Think of it as life's way of deconstructing what no longer serves you, to make space for what will. It's a painful, messy, and utterly confusing process, but it's not a demolition. It's a renovation of the soul. Growth often hides in the heart of chaos. Right now, you can't see the bigger picture. You're standing too close to the canvas, seeing only the messy brushstrokes and clashing colors. But one day, you'll be able to step back and see the masterpiece that was being created all along. You'll look back and realize it was starting clearly. Every decision, every detail, precisely what was truly meant to be. So trust the process, even especially when it doesn't make sense. Trust the quiet moments of stillness, the unexpected conversations, the sudden urge to walk into the light. These are the whispers of guidance. It's about learning to let go of the
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.